Cian Robinson. I'm the Associate Director of the Center for Business and Information Technologies. I'm also the Site Director for the Center for Visual and Decision Informatics. What I bring to the table is my background experience in terms of building small information technology companies from the ground up and getting them to market. I also have the project management experience that is necessary to bring the application to conclusion. Thank you for the opportunity to enter the Night News Challenge. Our entry is Personal Guide to Nursing Home Selection. This is a very personal story for me. Most recently, we've had to put a family member in a nursing home. And when we were having them discharged from the hospital, we asked where they should be discharged to. The discharge nurse at that point in time handed us the yellow pages. And this was an extremely difficult decision for us. This was a loved family member, and to be handed the yellow pages was not an acceptable solution. So when we saw the Night News Challenge opportunity to use data information to help people make healthcare decisions, I thought immediately of this situation, how it affected me, my family, and how I'm sure it affects other families in the United States. So we came together as a team, myself, Dr. Ryan Benton, and Dr. Michelle Rogers, to create a solution for people to be able to select nursing homes. The data to be used is from the Health and Human Services, healthdata.gov. We're going to bring that information in. We're also going to use data from those who use this application as a crowdsourcing solution to build upon that existing data set. We feel that this solution will help many family members and many individuals with the selection of nursing homes for their loved ones.
My name is Michelle Rogers, and I'm an assistant professor at Drexel University, the College of Computing and Informatics. My role on the project will be to lead the focus groups and scenario-based usability testing of the technology that we develop. There's no shortage in the amount of data and publicly available health information about nursing homes. The challenge that we face is how do we present it to families and caregivers in a way that's usable and useful. We want to understand where the information is needed, how the information should be displayed, and what are the best ways that we can present information to assist in decision making.
My name is Ryan Benton. I'm a research scientist at the Center for Visual and Decision Informatics. My background really is in data mining, information retrieval, search, basically making it easier to find the data and get something meaningful out of it. And Michelle Rogers said, well, there's this site out there maintained by the government that has this information. And I went and looked. And all you saw was you put in a zip code and it created this really big table that, if I had to look at it, was probably less useful than the yellow pages, because at least the yellow pages, I kind of have phone numbers and at least some personality to it. Here you just had a bunch of columns and said maybe you can compare one nursing home to two others if you know exactly which ones you're looking for. So we started talking about it, and what we wanted to do was really start doing things where we'd like to be able to put things on a map so that people can actually see where things are in relation to each other. And then I was looking at the search, and I'm like, well, okay, the zip code's nice, but people have got different criteria, they have different things that they're interested in. It would be really nice if we could make it a lot more usable, where they could go and say, I'm really interested in cost or the quality or the location. And then when they get the information, whether it's on a map or a table or in some other form, be able to start saying, well, I like this one or I don't like this one. I mean, if you think about it, like Amazon, when you go in, people have book recommendations, or you got some sites you go to and say, hey, I want something like this. Well, that's all what they call adaptive search retrieval, and when it's going, it's looking at your past behavior or what you like and trying to figure out from that what's going on. This mysterious technology is out there quite a bit. There's no reason why we couldn't make this possible here and make it a lot more intuitive instead of saying, please know exactly what you're looking for.
So overall, I think between Dr. Benton, Dr. Rogers, and myself, we bring together a strong team of individuals who will be able to solve this challenge and create a solution for individuals to use. Thank you.